With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, welcome to Doubtnut. In this question given, two protons A and B move parallel to the x-axis is opposite direction with equal speed v. At the instant shown, the ratio of the magnetic force and the electric force acting on the proton A is, where the c is the speed of the light in vacuum. Okay, then this is a proton and this one is another proton moving in opposite direction having the velocity is v and the separated with the distance d. Okay, then we have to find the value of the ratio of the magnetic force and the electric force. Okay, then magnetic force, and this is equal to, magnetic force is equal to q into v cross b, and this can be written as where the value of q is equal to e. That means we can write e into v cross b. Then firstly we have to find the value of the magnetic field, and the value of magnetic field, and this is equal to v is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi into the value of q, and q is equal to e into v cross r upon rq. Okay, this is the value of the magnetic field. Then put the value of the magnetic field in the equation of the magnetic force. Okay, that means the value of Fm, and this is equal to E into B cross, and the B is equal to mu naught upon 4 pi into E, and E into E is E square, and V cross R upon RQ. Okay, then finally the value of the magnetic force, and this is equal to E square into mu naught upon 4 pi V cross R. Okay, V cross R. Okay, and since we know that properties of the triple product, and this is equal to Fm, and this is equal to E square mu naught upon 4 pi V square into R. Okay, V square into R, in the R is the direction of the position vector. Sorry, RQ is missing, that means RQ and RQ. Okay, then the value of the electric field, okay, electric force, and this is equal to E into electric field. Okay, charge is E and into electric field, and this is equal to E into electric field 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into E into R vector upon R square. Okay, and this is equal to E square upon 4 pi epsilon naught, and in the terms of RQ we can write vector R upon RQ. Okay, this is the value of the electric force. Then we have to find the value of the magnetic force upon electric force. Okay, and this is equal to mod, and this is equal to magnetic force, that means E square mu naught upon 4 pi RQ V square into R vector. Okay, upon, and the electric field, and this is equal to E square R vector upon 4 pi epsilon naught RQ. Okay, then common term is E square 4 pi RQ R vector. Okay, and after solving we get V square upon mu naught into epsilon naught, and since we know that c is the speed of the light, then c is equal to root under mu naught epsilon naught, that means c square is equal to mu naught into epsilon naught. Then we can say the value is equal to V square upon C square. Okay, and this is the required condition of the ratio of the magnetic force upon electric force, and this is equal to V square upon C square. And when we see the option of this question, then V square upon C square, that means option B. Option B is the right answer of this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.